Hello guys, in this video we will talk about Sanity, Strapi, and Contentful, and I will help you to decide which headless CMS is best in 2025. So let's begin with Sanity. It is a real-time React-based CMS that gives developers full control via its Sanity Studio and Contents APIs. It uses Grok for querying and has generous free tiers. Strapi, on the other hand, is an open source Node.js CMS that you can self-host. It is extremely flexible, developer friendly, and works well with the REST or GraphQL APIs. Plus, it's open source with paid cloud options. Lastly, Contentful is a cloud-first CMS with strong enterprise features. It offers a sleek UI, reliable APIs, and built-in localization, but their pricing can scale quickly. So let's break them down. Number 1, flexibility and developer experience. Sanity and Strapi both offer full customization. Sanity uses Studio as code, while Strapi gives you control over the backend, while Contentful is more restrictive unless you are on higher tiers. Number 2, performance and speed. Sanity's real-time sync is great for dynamic content, while Strapi offers local control if you self-host. And lastly, Contentful is stable but it can feel slower with large content models. Number 3, API and query language. Sanity uses Grok, which is powerful but different from GraphQL. Strapi supports both REST and GraphQL natively, while Contentful supports REST and GraphQL but locks some features behind paywalls. Number 4, pricing and hosting. Strapi is the most cost-effective for devs since you can host it anywhere, while Sanity has a generous free tier but it can get costly at scale, and Contentful pricing suits enterprises but not for startups. So, for final verdict, pick Sanity for real-time collaboration and front-end focused apps, and go with Strapi if you want full control, especially in back-end heavy apps, and choose Contentful if you are building for enterprise clients with global teams. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.